from now. Go on.
Obviously, this hill over there is taking the mick out of me.
You can't fucking see it. Yo, he's gonna try and run up it and he's gonna fail.
It's taking the mick out of me. Told you.
Yo,
Mick out of me.
go for him, man. Go for him. Shit.
I made it.
Yo, give him a phone, bro.
Victory slide.
Yo, hold this shit, man. He's not letting me up. Oh, so good. Let me go. Yo, fuck that shit.
Ah! He's took the mick out of you. He's taking the piss out of you, man. He's shouting, "Who's your daddy?" at you, man.
Who's my dad?
People.
Yo, well gone, fam.
Battery's not included.